Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.
Go and get breakfast. Omelets. Jeez.
5 years of advanced security.
The omelets definitely have dairy in them. I'm disappointed. Also, I got 4. Alright, I got hard-boiled eggs instead. Okay, so time here is 7:24. Woke up at about 5:30. Was in bed till 7. Had breakfast. I stole a muffin and an apple. My plan is to go to Aldi or some form of grocery store before my training so that I have lunch or a snack of some sort. And then I think I might drive to Goodwill after. It's only 10 minutes away, so maybe I think we'll have time to do that. Unfortunately, these things don't open until like 9, so the fitness room is very small and it's kind of packed. Like, packed. But I think I might try and go, I'm gonna go to the gym, see what's up there, and then head back, get ready, get dressed, kind of pre-pack, and then head out. First things first though, I need some coffee. There wasn't any downstairs, which was kind of weird. Maybe I just missed it. I probably missed it. But it's fine, because I'm just gonna make coffee in my room. And just dump a lot of sugar in it. Hotel coffee is like on another level bad. It is just not good. Did I fill this thing up with water? Do I need to do that? How does that work? I hate plastic cups, but hotel coffee. Cheers.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
I'm gonna sip on this and post for my video because my video is already out in the East Coast time. I'm also gonna switch my watch over to Chicago time.
Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys know, but like Holiday Inn is now offering like a greener stay, which means like they don't come in and clean your room. And personally, I don't want them to come and clean my room because I have all my like camera stuff. So I was like, okay, yeah, sure. So now they're not gonna come and clean. So like what I always do is I always like make myself at home kind of at a hotel. I never put my stuff in the closet because that freaks me out, because like if I forget something, I'm gonna cry. But like other than that, like I have everything laid out nice. Shoes at the door. I got all of my important things that I need here. I like half made my bed, put my jammies there for me. But everything other than that is kind of just nice and neat and laid out. That is just how I like it. That is just how I like it. But yeah, so time is 8:46. So what I might do is I might get ready a little bit early so that when the store opens, I'll be there in time. We get ready to go to Aldi and Goodwill. I put this coat on because it's going to be cold. Hopefully I can find another one that matches with black at Goodwill. Okay. The fact that I literally coughed when I came out here. Jesus. Literally, there's snow on my car. Oh my God, geese. Oh my God. Love. Yeah. Chicago cold is like a different kind of cold than Philly. Look at this frost. You guys see that? What the hell? It's just a different kind of cold. It's frosty. god. My foot thing froze. Bro, what? Oh, it's so cold in Chicago. Alright, first stop, we're going to Aldi. We're gonna pick up some granola bars and stuff. Put that hot blast. It's so cold. Alright. Anyway, I'm gonna put on my hat. Bro, I literally can't eat, like it's, oh boy. Yo. The fact that like, does this even work on this? Am I doing this right? Jesus Christ. Bruh, I never had to do something like this before in my life. Little North Carolina girl doing this. Alright, we found her. God. Colder than freaking Elsa from Frozen. Try and get some of these. Yeah. Alright, this is what we get, so. Yeah. Alright. How much want to bet that these water bottles are going to freeze in the car? Alright, well, this is everything. I got like Propel, but like the off-brand energy drink, low calorie, granola bars, and granola. Heck yeah, good enough for me. Bro, here's what I love about Aldi. All of that was $8 total. Like, all of that. Which is good. Especially if you're on a company credit card and they look at all the stuff that you buy. So, just, you know, because, I mean, I would, if I hired someone, I would want them to do things cheaply. Or at least as cost efficient as possible. So, I don't know, by doing some of this stuff, I just feel like it's good. Plus, like, those granola bars could be my lunch, and stuff. When I do this by myself, I'm gonna buy like bread, peanut butter, and just make peanut butter jelly sandwiches, or maybe some honey too, and that'll be my lunch. So yeah. Okay, let's go to Goodwill, cause I really want to go to Goodwill. All right, here we go. Alright, so I only got two things. I got this like little flannel, it's Abercrombie. But I never have had like a flannel slash, this is actually lighter than a flannel, but I've never had one that I like really liked, so I got a green one, which is nice. And then I got this jacket, which matches with my black. So I'm gonna wear this instead of this navy one, because it's cold. I'm gonna look at lunch spots. I know it's not lunchtime, but I don't know what is all around here. And I'm kind of hungry, but I mean, there's a Walmart. These are all of like the places that I could eat, but I feel like these are all sit down places. So the plan is I'm just gonna go back to the hotel, drop my stuff off, get ready. Ow, that hurts. Drop my food off, and then I'm gonna go to Jimmy John's and probably get a sandwich there. Chicago, cool. On the plane ride in, it's cold. It's like a different kind of cold. It's a different cold than Philly. It's cold. There's really not much to do around here. Everything is like a strip mall or like small town boutique shops. What am I supposed to do? But anyways, after today it'll pick up and I'll be just dragging butt. I'm bringing the essentials today. I learned from last weekend. Eye drops. I'm bringing them in my backpack. Alright, so I found these like energy drink things that are only like 10 calories and they have caffeine. Since I only had like 1 cup of coffee, we're just gonna see how this is. Yeah, a lot of water made it interesting. So I don't even want to show them, but I literally took condoms out of this jacket. Sometimes I hope for a $50 bill. Sometimes I hope for even $1. But no, I got condoms. But like, where am I right now? Just in the middle of Chicago, in nowhere Chicago. About to go to Jimmy John's. Okay, I've gotten my Jimmy John's. One is for now and one is for later. I got a big one, so yeah. Look at that, Wisconsin. Oh gosh, I just slipped. I can't do Chicago. Y'all, I'm gonna be so for real with you. Jimmy John's portions suck. Like, their sandwiches are not good. But they don't have a Subway around me. Subway's the best sandwich place. Out of Jersey Mike's, Jimmy John's, and Subway wins. You get the biggest portion for the little amount of money. Like, this crap was like $15. I mean, I got another half, but still. You cannot even get wheat bread as this kind of raw. It has to be the sandwich. Y'all, when I tell you it is cold, it is cold. Okay, my seatbelt is also messed up. But it's cold and dark and I need to go to the hotel. I'm so tired. Eyes bloodshot. Brushing my teeth, I'm rolling into bed. I ain't even I'm just rolling. Oh God, I'm so tired.